Good morning, guys. We're gonna show you today how to make a fidget spinner out of cardboard box, cereal box. So turn this into this or that. So I got my little helper today, Alessandra.
Hi.
She's gonna help me. She's been helping me make this like crazy. So we're gonna make them today. So fidget spinner with cardboard box. We're also gonna use a push pin. We took the pin portion out, pencil, scissors, and a knife. We've been making a couple here all day, so you guys can see we have a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna show our cousin Victoria how she can make a fidget spinner fun. So first step is to trace the fidget spinner utilizing our favorite fidget spinner. So we trace it. Once it's traced, then we're gonna cut it. So my daughter here, Alessandra, she loves these. Is that Alessandra?
Mm-hmm.
She was playing with them. Adrian too. Adrian, we made a couple earlier, and Adrian was. The idea for this came from Adrian. He started it with the paper, and he started doing the fidget spinner on paper, and he was gonna cut it, and then he's like, "Well, how do I make it spin?" And I'm like, "Okay, well, let's brainstorm ideas." So Adrian, and the great mind he has, he came up with, making it spin this way. So let's keep cutting here. So there you go. It's a push pin. I'm sorry, a fidget spinner. And then what we're gonna do is you're gonna trace this into your additional box. So you trace it, additional. So we're gonna do one more trace. Take it, trace that. Make sure you go around. You have a nice solid spinner. And then just cut that. These are always fun because it gets the kids the arts and crafts part of them out. They get to do their own. And it's not as hard as some of the other ones we've seen where it requires a lot more. This is fun. It's a good way to play. Alessandra loves them. But Alessandra?
Yeah.
She loves playing with them. She said the next project she wants to make a Hello Kitty one, so we got to find one.
And Elsa.
And Elsa and all the characters. So here you have it. You have two. What the ultimate goal is going to be is to put them together, glue them, so it has two faces to it. So we take our hot glue, and we're gonna go around it, and make sure you put a lot of glue because it tends to come off, and just be very careful though with the hot glue handling it. It tends to get really sticky and hot, so just be very careful with the hot glue. Other than that, make sure you pick the right side. And at the end, we're gonna do one final cut to make it even. So, I'm gonna take it like this. We're gonna do one final cut to get both sides to kind of line out. And we kind of an experiment with different boxes, different types of materials. And it's been fun morning. A little bit more glue here. So Alessandra's eagerly waiting to play with her next fidget spinner. So there you have it. So you pretty much get both sides to glue together. And then the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a hole with the knife. So you just gotta be very careful with the knife. Maybe ask a parent or guardian to help you with it. Take it. Make sure the hole is not too big though. It just big enough for you to get the push pin through it. You take the smaller portion of the push pin through it. But just make the hole big enough, but not too big because you don't want it sagging too much. So you push it through. And you have it there. Push it through. And there you have it. Fidget spinner made out of cardboard box. And it spins and it's fun for everybody to play. Yeah, try it, Alessandra, and show everybody how it works.
Yeah.
And see how they go. Alright guys, thank you. And we'll show you another day how to make something else.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Love you, friend.